Water is the main source of life on Earth. We only have a finite amount of water. Therefore, our responsibility is having a sustainable solution to ensure that this water is being protected.
We're all conscious of the amount of energy we are using, so our sewage treatment plants are focused on a nature-based solution. The way the Red Sea is treating our wastewater puts people and planet first. We capture all of the sewage that we produce here. We use minimum electromechanical equipment and a natural constructed wetlands. And the effluent that is produced from the treatment is then used for irrigation.
The treated sewage effluent is being connected via pipelines to our nursery and used in the wider irrigation within the destination.
The most interesting thing about the constructed wetlands that we've created here is it has created a new ecosystem. We've recorded 169 species of migratory birds so far here on site. Prioritizing the environment and sustainability has become the norm in Saudi, and it's become also essential to put the environment and sustainability first. This regenerative project proves that you can develop and be mindful of the environment and still create beautiful and amazing and interesting places.
All the team here in Red Sea Global is having only one mindset, enhancing the environment through creating innovative solutions in all of our work.
When I was a child, we had a lack of infrastructure for sewer system. It makes me proud to see the progress, and it makes me proud to be a part of that progress as well.
My hope for the future is that environment will be always looked at as an opportunity, not as an obstacle, to make sure that all generations can enjoy these resources.